Welcome to Creighton's first virtual open house. Please know that while we may not be together, we are here to help you in any way that we can. You may call us, email us, or come in to see us. And know that our website has a great deal of information that you can use throughout the year. I would like to introduce you to our administrative team. Sixth grade administrator this year is Sharice Walker.
Hello, everybody. Looking forward to working with you and seeing you soon.
Our seventh grade administrator is Amanda.arflin, and unfortunately, she is not with us this afternoon. She is in training. Our eighth grade administrator is Mr. William.Estes.
Hey, nice to see all of you.
Our special ed administrator is, again this year, Mr. Kendrick.cleckley.
Good afternoon, everyone. So glad to be with you again this school year and looking forward to working with each and every one of you.
And our special area administrator is brian.blease.
Hello, Creighton family. Welcome to the 2021 school year.
And I'm Angela.Burns, and we are so looking forward to having you back in the building. And thank you again for joining us tonight. If you're not sure how to find your teachers, just pop back into the website and the directions are on there as well. So we hope this night benefits you. Remember that it is not a night for parent conferences. It is a night to find out about the procedures that will happen in each of your child's classrooms this year. And we look forward to seeing everybody as soon as possible. Have a good evening.